What's up, King's Kids? Mr. Christian here. It's time for fun time with your leaders. It is Blue Week of Summer Splash. Boom, that's why you can see all my awesome blue swag going on right here. And what do you think about when you think about blue stuff during the summer? That's right, water. And what better way to use water than a slip and slide? So today, I'm gonna teach you how to make your very own slip and slide. The first thing you need is a tarp. Boom, tarp. We have 100 feet of premium grade tarpage. What you're gonna do is you're gonna roll this out, get it real flat, you can cut it as long as you want. Maybe it's short, maybe it's long, maybe it ends in a pool like ours. The next thing you need is soap. Boom, soap. What you're gonna do is you're gonna take this and you're gonna spray it all over the place. Boom, soap done. And finally, you need water, the most important part. And what's the easiest way to get water? A hose. Boom, garden hose. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take that and you're gonna spray it all down. And once you're done, this is what it looks like. All right, kids, think I should try it? They obviously do. Let's go. All right. So kids, that's how you build a slip and slide. Let us know what you think. I'm going to bed. I guess they want to try it. Let's go. Yeah, nope, that didn't work at all.